It's time for a January reset. Honestly, this is the most terrifying part of this week's video. There's no organization to it whatsoever. It's kind of like the key to success. That was so easy, oh my gosh. Hello you guys, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello there. My name is Karen and I make brand new content for you guys every single week. So you should definitely be sure to hit that subscribe button down there so that you do not miss out on all of my brand new videos and shorts. We are officially 3 weeks into the new year, so I feel like this is the perfect time to do like a January reset video. I've done a lot of like short form resets on my channel, but I've never really done too many long ones. But today is gonna be a super fun video. We're kind of just gonna do a deep clean of my life. I have everything planned out on my laptop, so I'm gonna go through it super quick. So more specifically, we're gonna be organizing my planner and my school bag since I am starting school in a few days. I'm going to do a little bit of a digital declutter as well. If you remember a few weeks ago, I talked about this in my New Year's resolutions video. I'm just going to get rid of old documents on my laptop and make space for the new ones that I will be getting in my new classes. I also want to kind of make a vision board on Pinterest super quickly, just with like a few images of what I want 2025 to look like, because even though I made all my resolutions and I have all of that laid out, I kind of want to visualize it. Then I also want to maybe organize a few things in my room. I have a few like drawers that are kind of cluttered, not too many because I just recently went through like my dresser and reorganized some of that. So I don't have like the biggest mess ever in my room, but it's always nice to just kind of like go through your dresser or your nightstand and reorganize some things. Then I also want to reorganize my makeup bag. That's just for like a self-care reset. I have this makeup bag that I use from Amazon that I use every single time that I do my makeup. Honestly, over the past couple of months, it's just gotten very disorganized and just a lot of stuff thrown in there, and you kind of have to like dig through piles of makeup products to look for whatever thing that you're looking for. And then also I'm going to, at the very end of this video, show you guys what I do to like reset for every single day. If you understand what I'm saying, I know it sounds weird, but there's something that I do every single day that helps me like reset for the next day and reflect on the day that I just had. So we'll do that at the very end of this video. Without further ado, let's get started organizing my planner and my school bag for college. Honestly, this is the most terrifying part of this week's video. I'm going to open up Canvas on my laptop and see if my professors have posted any due dates for my classes. Keep in mind, I haven't been on Canvas since the beginning of December during finals week. This is a little scary. We're gonna do it. Let's open it up. Stuff might not even be there, but we wanna see because then we can plan everything out and be ahead of the game and ready. All right, we're logging on. Here we go. This professor has everything laid out and ready to go. I can't like see what the specific assignment is, but it says like week 1 discussion, quiz 1. So we can go ahead and write those due dates in my planner. Here's my new planner, AKA my beauty. I love planners. Like I find so much joy in going pick out a new planner. So let's find January. I already have a few things laid out in this planner. Like I have all of my YouTube video ideas for January. I have like appointments for January, when like my tuition was due, my first day of classes. So I had a few things already kind of like written out in here, but I don't have any of my assignments. And assignments, I like to go through and put them like weekly in the weekly little organizers. Here is my first week, January 13th through the 19th. It's way later whenever you're watching this video. All these videos are filmed in advance. I'm taking, one of my classes that I'm taking is an intro to the criminal justice system. And honestly, I'm excited about these classes because I feel like as much as I like love my major and I love taking classes that relate to my major, I also love taking electives that have nothing to do with what I'm studying. I find it so much fun because I feel like you get to learn things about different subjects, and it's just so useful for your life. If you just stay in the same like field and learn everything about one field, then you're not going to have like well-rounded knowledge of every subject. And then I'm just taking another like religion course that I needed to graduate, and then I'm taking a marketing class, which will be super fun. I love marketing. I took a criminal justice class last spring semester. It was like from March to May of 2024, and I really enjoyed it. We watched like super cool movies and wrote papers about cool things. I read like my professor's book, and then I wrote a paper about his book. So I'm gonna write this down and I'll see you guys in a little bit. I'm just gonna do a time lapse of me writing all these due dates down. All of my due dates are officially written in my planner for the one class that was uploaded onto Canvas, but better than nothing. So I'm going to very quickly go through next to each assignment and put a little like highlight mark, and then I use that as like my box to check off once the assignment is complete. These are my absolute favorite highlighters. These are the Zebra mild liner, specifically the brush ones that comes with the brush and then the superfine. It's like a double-edged kind of pen. I have them in so many different colors. I actually have 2 packs, but one of them are like the Zebra markers, and then these are my like brush pens. Alright. And that's it. Honestly, I feel like doing that at the beginning of the semester, just going through and writing out all of your assignments, it's kind of like the key to success, because if you like start strong, then you're more likely to just like maintain that motivation throughout the semester. So I would highly recommend going through in your planner right now before your school picks back up, or like right now while you're still at the beginning of school picking back up, and writing out your assignments and just having everything ready to go and just be as organized as possible. So that's it for organizing my planner for 2025 so far. I wanted to take a second to look back at my 2023-2024 planner, because I had this planner for so long, and it's gonna be crazy to like open it and look at everything that got done. It's crazy to look and see like all of the boxes checked off. So rewarding. It gave me some anxiety to like look back at the last week of last semester. That was a very hectic time. We were like packed every single day with stuff to do, but proud of myself. We got it all done, and we can do it again this semester. So I honestly wanted to go through my backpack super quickly and just see what's in here, see if there's anything we can clear out. Like, I have this one book that was from last year, and honestly I don't need this anymore. It was a comic book that I read for one of my classes. We don't need this. Yeah, I have another book that I read like maybe 2 semesters ago, and I don't need this one anymore. It was getting bent. I had this notebook in here and it literally got bent. Whoopsies. I didn't know it was in there, and I just kept pushing stuff on top of it. And then look, I also have my 2022-2023 planner in here as well. So I literally have my entire college career in planners in my backpack. At some point I'll get rid of them, but not now. Look, I literally became obsessed with a legal pad last semester, and I still have this one in here. I should get obsessed with that again this semester. They're just really nice. You can just like write everything out. There's so much room. You can keep everything organized, and it's better than writing it on a Google Doc. Yeah, see, I have a few textbooks in here. I also have these 2 that are old. I used to use this like website called buyyourbooksback.com, and they literally give you money if you send back your textbooks from college. It just has to like reach $5 as a minimum. I need to do that again. It's just sometimes they accept certain textbooks, and then other times they don't want to accept them. So I need to check if they want these books now, since it's like the start of a new semester. And then I could also do those other like books that I had that I showed you guys earlier. And here are my highlighters that I was telling you guys about, the brush pens, and then the creative markers. Those are my favorites. Okay, welcome to the digital declutter section of this video. I have my laptop right here, and we are going to be going through all of my like downloads, my documents, and getting rid of anything that I don't need, because although this laptop has a lot of storage, it can be taken up pretty fast, especially with me like creating YouTube videos each week, uploading shorts a few times a week. All the footage that I download from my phone to my laptop can just take up a lot of space super quickly, so I always want to be like clearing out my school stuff and extra like YouTube shorts videos that I don't need anymore. Let's open this up. Honestly, if I just did this consistently, it wouldn't be that bad. I just start editing and uploading, and then you just kind of forget, and then it takes up a lot of your storage. Also for school, like I have so many documents, and they all say like annotated final paper, annotated news story, and I think those are like papers that my teachers have made for me with like corrections. Whew. I've been doing that for like 20 minutes. I kind of like got sucked in. So I freed up about 16 gigabytes of storage by just deleting unnecessary stuff. So I am done with that. I feel like my digital declutter is complete. So now I want to also go on my laptop and see if I can make a fun Pinterest board for 2025. Honestly, I am not a huge Pinterest gal. I used it a few times maybe in high school, and then I always use it whenever I make my Halloween costumes video in October of every year. But other than that, I rarely use Pinterest. I get most of my inspo for things off of TikTok, honestly, and YouTube. And then we will make a board. Let's name it 2025. We're gonna put a lot of like motivational quotes, a lot of like study inspo, because I feel like that will take up the majority of 2025. Wow, they have a lot of cute stuff. I feel like Disney World is also gonna be really important in 2025, so let's add that. Let's do YouTube. We'll put some editing, because editing will probably take up majority of my time in 2025. Let's do piano, because I've been obsessed with playing piano recently. I want to do a lot more like vinyl record collecting in 2025, and I really want to get a high quality record player. I've literally been saying that for years, and I've been saving my money, but I just cannot justify the purchase ever. So maybe for like my graduation gift, I'll finally get the record player that I've been dreaming of for years. I'm going to do some motivational quotes. Do it for your future self. Hustle in silence, let your success make the noise. I like that. Consistency is key. We are definitely saving that one. That is everything to me. Okay, I found another one. Come on, kid, this is your dream. That's so cute. I love the way that's worded. We'll also put some gym stuff on here, because I go to the gym a lot and I feel like that would be perfect. We'll put this Stairmaster, just like a cute little hot girl walk. And then we'll also do graduation. Since that will be a thing this year, I'll put some cute graduation inspo. Here is my final Pinterest board for 2025, and I'm probably going to add to it as the months go on and I think of new topics to add to it. So we have the gym, we have study motivation, we have piano motivation, we have Disney World, we have some vinyl records, we have some cute outfits, we have some motivational quotes, we have graduation stuff, just tons of fun images to look at and to get motivation from throughout this year. I found a new love and appreciation for Pinterest. There is our Pinterest board for 2025. That was so fun to sit down and do. Okay, so the next thing we're going to be doing is reorganizing this very cluttered makeup bag. As you can see, it's just all piled in there. There's no organization to it whatsoever. There's no pattern, nothing. So we have setting spray, this like random under eye cream that I kind of stopped using because I lost it, and that's the problem with this bag. Like, I lose things and then I stop using them. We have all my lip products. We have drops that are like hydrating drops, and we have like blush, we have my glow recipe stuff, we have some mascaras, we have some glow drops, I have concealer and foundation, we have sunscreen, we have eyebrows, we have more foundation for like fancy occasions, we have this brand new Tarte Shape Tape, we have another foundation that I use during the summer when I need like a lot of SPF, we have eyebrows, we have more lipsticks from Prada, we have NARS, we have another red lipstick, we have another mascara, we have another primer, and then another mascara. So let's reorganize this super quickly. I'm just gonna do a time lapse of it, and we're gonna get this all together, and I'll see you guys in a little bit.
Drinks out in LA, $40 for the cover. I don't care, I got bank, and my bank in the cupboard. And I got you, yeah.
Welcome to the next section of this January reset, in which we will be organizing this bottom right drawer. This bottom right drawer is famous for being the most disorganized, junkiest drawer that I have in my room, and I have tried to clean it up so many times, but no matter what, it just ends up becoming the same way over and over again. So we are going to be trying to clean up my mess again for the 50th time. So let's just get started. So like, you see how it has trouble opening? All my other drawers can open pretty easily, and you can like reach in and get whatever you want. This one, you really gotta yank. The stuff in here, it's just like piled in here because I fit like my leggings, my sweatpants, my like undershirts that I wear under like cardigans or flannels, things like that. I threw all of that in this drawer because it all went together, but honestly, there's not enough room for it all. I need to try to organize it better and see if it can still all fit in there, like fold it better, things like that. So let's go through this super quick. Honestly, this is gonna be easy right now because a lot of my sweatpants I've worn this week, so they're in the laundry room dirty. This should be way easier to close. See, like, I just have this turtleneck undershirt that I wear sometimes. I also have this collared undershirt that I wear sometimes. I also just have like a regular white long sleeve shirt. I have a regular white short sleeve shirt, my black sweatpants, and then typically I have my like navy ones on top and my gray ones on top, but I'm like wearing the gray ones right now. And then I have cargo pants in the back that didn't fit in my jean drawer. And then I have more leggings back here, my like flare leggings. I have this black turtleneck undershirt, and then I just have a ton of skinny jeans that like I literally do not know what to do with, and that's what takes up majority of the room. So we're just gonna work with what we got and try to fit this all in here. This is actually way easier than I thought. We're gonna put these leggings over here. We'll put this collar shirt. This is cute. This is from Forever 21, and I could wear it underneath like a sweater or something. We'll put this in there. And I think, yeah guys, look, That was so easy, oh my gosh. Now, I will be in trouble later on this week whenever I go and actually wash my clothes and I need to put them away. But guys, look, we improved it. It can actually open and close super easy, just like the other ones. That was not as hard as I thought it was gonna be. So since this is a January reset video, I feel like the best way to sort of like end this video off is by doing my 1 line a day 5-year memory book for the day. I talked about this in my New Year's resolution video. I did this last year with a glass jar. And in this glass jar, I have 366 slips of paper that contain my memories from every single day throughout 2024. 366 because it was a leap year. This year and then for the next 4 years after that, I will be using this 5-year memory book. I am going to be writing down my favorite memory from every single day. Right now, it's currently like 8 o'clock and the only thing that I'm doing after filming this video is going to the gym. I think my favorite memory for the day has already happened. So we're gonna write this down. And then I also have some more memories from 2025 so far that I have not written down in my book. January 3rd was the last day that I actually wrote it down in my book. I have them all marked on my notes app on my phone, so we will just very quickly go through and write all of those down. Okay, and now we are back up at today. So I think that for today's memory, I'm going to write down that my favorite thing was making crock pot macaroni. I did that today and it turned out super good. It was one of my favorite recipes that I've made so far in a crock pot. So that's definitely getting to be my favorite memory for January 8th, 2025. Honestly, this tradition that I started in 2024 is my favorite way to like reset for the new day, because you're doing a little bit of reflection on the previous day that you just had, so then you're ready and reset and refreshed to go into the next day. That is our little reflection for the day, and I think that that is it for my January reset. I love making these types of videos, so I really don't know why I don't make them more often. So thank you guys so much for watching this week's January reset video. I had so much fun making this video. It was great to just finally get my life in order and ready for 2025, because even though my mind was ready for 2025, my like physical stuff was not, and everything was everywhere. So I'm really happy that everything is now organized and ready for both this new year and this new school semester. Plus, I hope I gave you guys some motivation to do the same thing in your own room and in your own lives. So if you like this week's video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also do not forget to hit that subscribe button down there so that you do not miss out on all of my brand new videos and shorts every single week. I love you guys all so much. Thank you so much for being here and for watching this week's video. And I'll see you all in the next one. Mwah. Bye, you guys.